I received this deep conditioning treatment so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. I love this one because it has that shea butter and different proteins built into it. I love a deep conditioner, especially like a leave-in conditioner, just because that is really going to have an impact on your hair. If you style your hair, if you use any heat, or if you are prone to breakage or that dry, frizzy hair, this is really going to be able to improve your hair and just help your hair be so much better, more moisturized, easier to style, less frizz. So having deep conditioning hair products is just really going to help take it to the next level so that you can style your hair and do your hair exactly as you normally would or as you want to. This is going to help take it to the next level. Okay, so to start, you are going to wash your hair, get it nice and wet and clean, and then you are going to pour this into your hair, and I am going to comb it through so that it's nice and even, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's a really nice creamy texture, and you want to use towel dried hair, and then you are going to keep it in your hair for probably 10 to 15 minutes. This is a brand new bottle, so sometimes it takes just a little bit. The smell is kind of floral, and I'm gonna kind of just spread it throughout. I'm gonna focus down on my lower portion of my hair, but I'm definitely gonna work it in towards the top. So you can use your fingers like I am, or you can use a comb. And so we are gonna keep this in for 15 minutes, rinse it out, and then I'm going to style it. And this is after. I absolutely am impressed with the results. My hair is so soft. It was really easy to style. It just feels like it's hydrated, and it has a really nice shine to it. So I absolutely recommend this product. It was so easy to be able to use, and it was really fast, just like 15 minutes or so wrapped up so that it gets warm and it can really activate everything. But I absolutely love it. I definitely recommend it if you are looking for a nice hydrating mask, something that's like a deep conditioning treatment. This is a really great product.